13 orders to fulfill. Oh, the dark side. Uh-oh. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jimmy G. I'm a faith-based entrepreneur, and in today's video, we're gonna be packaging some pre-orders from this past week that we have received from our customers. We opened up our website, Alev Fitness, which is a faith-based activewear brand, for 72 hours. We built a mini hype around our new collection pieces from the women's line, the men's line, some new jackets, and also some glasses as well. Typically, with pre-orders, most companies get a sample and they put it up on the website to get it hyped. The customer has to wait anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to receive those products. In this case, we already had all the pieces. We just wanted to see the demand from it. So they've only been waiting for about a week. This gives us now enough time to actually market the real launch, which is about anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks now. Welcome to the video, guys. Let's package these orders. Let's go. Currently in the garage where I hold some of the inventory. Currently have 13 orders to fulfill. So most of our inventory is in our cargo van. I'm gonna pull whatever I can out of here before I go to the van because the van is super packed. Large. Oh, perfect. This one's our new faith-based tee that we just released, a puff print. Ooh, it is finished, baby. John 19:30. It's got that texture, love it. It's got this little detail right here as well. All right, team, we just got done with all the inventory that we could extract from the garage. Now we're gonna go into this sucker. Don't judge us, all right? This sucker's packed. Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh. Definitely gonna have to reorganize this. This is the fight I had to go through. I had to pull some things out, and I also had to go through everything. This is the dark side. Thankfully, the stuff was on the top. It's that one. All right, team, did a little organization there, pulled everything else that I needed out. Now, we're gonna go inside and start packing it. All right. Stickers. I'm gonna set the shipping date for Tuesday, but I'm actually gonna drop it off at the post office today so that in the morning tomorrow on Monday, it's already in motion, but on Tuesday, they'll get the confirmation of the tracking number and it's already a day ahead. It gives them the impression that, wow, the shipping is really fast. So that's a little trick I like to do. All right, beautiful people, that was the last shipping label, as you guys can see. I have one from Canada, so we had to go UPS on that instead of USPS. Let's go ahead and pack these up. We'll head over to the post office, and we'll wrap up the video there. So I know these two, so I'll go through there and get there. Mr. Normal and... All right, guys, just got here at the post office. Like I said, it's Sunday. But we're still getting stuff done here. Like I said, it's Sunday. It's gonna be shipped out tomorrow. And then on Tuesday, they're gonna get the notification. But I have to come back here tomorrow, even though it's right down the street, because the sunglasses are fragile, even though they have a box, but I don't wanna risk it. Look at that. Stay ahead of the game, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, wrapping up the video here. Moral of everything is hype up the pre-orders. Make sure that you're getting them on the landing pages, getting their information, creating captivating content on all social media platforms, and just market. It might be tough, but the reward's gonna be what you put into it, guys. So now we're gonna get into the actual launch. Gonna get some content this weekend, and I'll keep you guys updated on the brand and the vision. Thank you so much. Like, comment, or subscribe on this video if you got some value or some entertainment. Till the next one, peace.